guys, my name is Eredapa. I'm a single mother of 2.
Hello guys, my name is Bobby Dazzler. I'm a single mother of 2 and I'm outside to have fun.
Hello, my name is Teska Gold. I'm a single mom of 1 and we are outside to catch fun. And then inside no job. Oh baby, mom of 1.
Hello, I'm Lisa Joe, single mom of 2. Hi, my name is Esther. I'm a single mother of 2.
I am Maris Gold. I'm a single mother of 4.
Oh.
Hey guys, as you all know, it's still your girl Eredapa. I'm a single mother of 2. My first is 3 years, going to 4. My daughter is just 9 months, 8 months going to 9. So obviously, he left me when my daughter was just 2 weeks old. And with a cesarean section, I was still, going through it. But before the whole long story short, I left because I left. The marriage was tough. Kitty kata, boxing every day. I carry my bag, I run.
Wait, the man they see well. Come back. I want to talk about this.
Let's go. What's your name? Introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Maris Gold. I was married at 40.
Wow.
You? 40.
Are you serious? Like right now?
Yes. The last 8 years.
The last
I don't carry my own. Clear your crowd.
Because the last day I just decided that I can't continue. That day I was beating to death, I was vomiting blood. That was the short. Just to watch it short. That was the day I said no. I am 25 years old and I got married quite early when I was early 21. I have 2 children. My husband is something else. I don't want to talk about him. So because of the abusive marriage, the maltreatment, in fact, they even told me to carry baby and not suppose. Okay, I gave birth to my first child through CS and I was advised, don't take in again or you will die. Complications, they are too early, blah blah blah.
I was crying for my second child because we're having issues. We love food inside.
My name is Teska Gold. I'm 35.
You don't look it at all.
I said.
What to do?
Like 27.
Oh, my story is very long, but seriously, that guy, anybody will marry him.
Go suffer.
First go suffer because both the guy is not good. His parents are not good. There was a time we were insulting ourselves, and this guy was like, first he say, if you want marry, may your mother-in-law good, may your wife no good, so that you go know say now your mother-in-law go dey advise your wife. But in his own case, my wife good, the mother-in-law no good. I say, brother, me you even see wife way good. Me I don't see husband way good. I don't see mother-in-law way good. No one even good.
Now you just separate.
Yo.
SMS! Let the single mothers breathe! SMS! Let the single mothers breathe! Don't suffocate us! Let us breathe!
No dolly here.